breaking news in the Bill Cosby sex assault trial. Tonight, the case is now in the hands of the jury. At this hour, the comedian, once known as America's Dad, arriving at court with his wife Camille by his side. That was the first time. His defense taking just 6 minutes to make its case, calling just a single witness. ABC's Lindsay Davis waiting for that verdict. She's at the courthouse tonight.
Tonight, Bill Cosby's fate is in the hands of a jury. Earlier today, the comedian arrived at court with his wife, Camille Cosby. This, her first appearance at the trial.
Mrs. Cosby, what would you like people to know about your husband?
Cosby did not take the stand. The defense called only one witness, a police detective, and rested its case after just 6 minutes. Inside the courtroom, Mrs. Cosby was a central figure.
I think what the defense is trying to do is saying, she's forgiven him, so maybe you can too.
She sat unflinchingly, showing no emotion, while the defense gave a fiery closing argument. Cosby's attorney acknowledged that Cosby was an adulterer, but argued he was not a criminal. Only angels are in heaven, he told jurors. At one point, gesturing to Mrs. Cosby, shouting she deserved better. When the lead defense attorney faced the jury and asked, if something like this happened to you, would you ever forget that? A female juror sitting in the back row nodded her head in agreement. Across the courtroom, Andrea Constant, the woman at the heart of this trial, who accuses Cosby of drugging and sexually assaulting her in 2004. Then it was the prosecutor's turn. He told jurors that Cosby took what was not his, reminding them of Cosby's own words in a deposition where he admitted to obtaining quaaludes prior to sexual encounters with women. The DA told jurors that any inconsistencies in Constant's statements were because she spent more time trying to forget what happened rather than trying to remember.
So let's get to Lindsay Davis live at the courthouse tonight. And Lindsay, the jury has already started deliberating.
Yes, David, the jury has just started deliberations, and the judge has already planned to order dinner, so this could be a very long night. If convicted, Cosby faces up to 10 years for each of the 3 counts, and the DA's office is already saying that they would immediately ask for him to be incarcerated. David.
Lindsay Davis standing by at that courthouse.